So this is a Lazybed. It is a foam mattress. I'm gonna unpack it and just see what these foam mattresses are like. That's the bed, obviously. Got to unbox it, put it on the bed and let it expand. Oh, it comes with this thank you and this like tool. Unbox, position, cut plastic, decompress. Those are the instructions. What do we do? We're gonna tip it. Get it out. Get rid of this now. And here we are, the mattress. So that's it, that's our new mattress. There it is. A new mattress. Now we have to expand it. This is looking a bit nuts. Okay, the plastic is off, and I suppose you just let it decompress. So we're going to come back in an hour or so, and we'll see if it's ready to sleep on. Alright, it has been about 3 hours. We are back, and it's risen a bit, so it's fully plumped up. So all there's left to do is put the bedding on, and then have a bit of a lie down. Mattress protector. Fitted sheet. Next, pillows. That's it, now we're ready to test it out. Oh! Alright, it's the next day. I've just had our first night's sleep on the foam mattress. And I gotta say, it was a lot more comfortable than what I expected. Before I decided to buy this mattress, I went to a department store and I tried a couple of foam mattresses, and I felt in a few of them I sank into it, but this one didn't really have that. And what they say about foam is it does sink a little bit, and that's on purpose because it allows more distribution of the weight of your body, whereas spring mattress, it's harder because it pushes back up against your body. It's complicated, you can Google it. But yeah, I've got to say, enjoying the mattress. It does come with a 128-day money back guarantee, so we're gonna trial it for that time, and if we still don't like it after that, send it back, get our money back. But so far so good. And yeah, foam mattresses, I'll leave a link in the description. It's a Lazybed foam mattress. And yeah, if you guys have a foam mattress, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. But that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.